Hey there, and welcome to English Chat Vibes. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. We're so glad you're here, joining us for some simple, friendly English practice.
Today we're going to have a relaxing chat about a topic that's everywhere right now, Valentine's Day.
That's right. But don't worry, this isn't a lesson about complicated romance words. It's just you listening to two friends have a natural conversation.
Exactly. We'll talk about plans, feelings, and all the simple things people really say. It's perfect for beginners. So get comfortable, listen along, and feel free to repeat after us anytime.
Let's jump right in. So, Sarah, Valentine's Day is next week. Do you like Valentine's Day?
I think it's nice. I like the feeling of it. You know, all the hearts and red colors everywhere. It feels warm. But I don't think it needs to be a super big, fancy day. What about you, Mike?
Yeah, I agree. I like it. It's a happy day. But for me, it's more like a normal day, but with a little extra chocolate.
True. So, is it an important day for you?
Important? Maybe not super important, but I think it's a nice chance to say, I like you or I appreciate you to people. It doesn't have to be only for romantic love.
Oh, I like that. So, for friends or family, too.
Yeah, why not? A little message to a friend like, Happy Valentine's Day. I'm glad you're my friend. That's nice.
That is nice. So, a lot of people think Valentine's Day is only for couples, you know, a man and a woman or two people dating, but it can be more than that.
Right. It can be for anyone you care about, so no pressure.
No pressure at all. Okay, let's talk about some very common questions people ask around this time. The first one is very simple. Do you have any plans for Valentine's Day?
That's a good one. People ask that all the time. So, how can we answer? Let's think of some simple answers.
Okay, if you are going out with someone, you can say, yes, I'm going out to dinner. Or, yes, I'm going to see a movie.
Very simple. And if you are staying home, you can say, No, no big plans. I'm just staying home. Or I'm relaxing at home.
Perfect. And you can add a little more. I'm staying home and watching TV. Or, I'm cooking a simple dinner at home.
See? Easy English. You don't need long sentences. Short and clear is perfect. Let's try another common question. Do you have a Valentine this year?
Ooh, that's a very direct question, but it's okay. You can answer honestly. If you do have a special person, you can say, yes, I do.
And if you don't, you can simply say, No, I don't. Or No, not this year. And you can smile. It's no problem.
Exactly. Your answer is yours, no right or wrong. Okay, Mike, let's do a little practice conversation. I'll ask you a question and you answer naturally. Ready?
Ready.
So, Mike, do you have any plans for Valentine's Day?
Not really. I think I'm just going to relax at home. Maybe call a friend.
Nice. Sounds peaceful. Do you have a Valentine this year?
No, I don't. But that's okay.
See? Easy and comfortable. Let's switch. You ask me.
Okay. Sarah, what are you doing for Valentine's Day?
This year, I'm going out for coffee with a close friend in the afternoon. Just a small meetup.
That sounds fun. Do you usually give gifts on Valentine's Day?
Sometimes, but I like simple gifts. A card, some flowers, or just sharing a coffee is enough for me.
I like simple gifts too. A box of chocolates is always good.
Now, let's talk about gifts for a minute. It's a big part of the day for some people. What are some common Valentine's gifts?
The classic ones are flowers, especially roses, chocolate, always chocolate, a card, we call it a Valentine's card, maybe some jewelry or a stuffed animal, like a teddy bear.
And people often say, I got you a small gift, or I bought you some chocolates.
If you receive a gift, you can say, Thank you, you didn't have to, or just, Thank you, I love it.
But remember, a gift is not necessary. Spending time together is also a great gift. Let's spend time together is a perfect plan.
Very true. Okay, let's talk about feelings. Valentine's Day can make people feel different things. How do you feel on Valentine's Day, Sarah?
Good question. Most years I feel happy. I enjoy the sweet feeling in the air. But some years I feel a little normal, like it's just a Wednesday. And that's okay too.
Yeah, I understand. Sometimes people feel lonely on Valentine's Day, and that feeling is normal and okay.
Yes. So if someone asks, "How do you feel today?" you can say, "I feel happy," or "I feel a little lonely," or "I feel normal." All answers are okay.
Just use simple feeling words. Happy, sad, lonely, excited, relaxed, nothing special. All good.
Now, let's imagine a very short story. Let's have a simple conversation between two people on Valentine's Day. We'll speak slowly and clearly.
Okay, let's say I see my friend Anna. Hi, Anna. Happy Valentine's Day.
Oh, hi, Mike. Happy Valentine's Day to you too.
So, do you have any plans today?
Yes, I'm going out for dinner tonight. How about you?
Nice. I'm just staying home. I have a good book to read.
That sounds relaxing. Well, I hope you have a good day.
You too. Enjoy your dinner.
See? A friendly, simple chat. Nothing complicated. Let's do one more, but a little different.
Okay, let's say I'm at work. My coworker Ben looks happy. Hi, Ben. You look happy today.
Oh, hi, Mike. Yeah, I am happy. It's Valentine's Day.
Oh, that's right. Do you have special plans?
Not really. My wife and I are cooking dinner at home. Simple, but nice.
That's wonderful. Tell her I say hello.
I will. Thanks. Have a good one, Mike.
See? Easy.
Now, we want to ask you a question. It's your turn to think and practice.
Yes. Our question for you is this. What about you? Do you celebrate Valentine's Day in your country?
Is it a big day or a small day? Do people give gifts? Do you have a special food or tradition?
We are so curious to learn about you. Please tell us in the comments below. You can write, in my country, and then tell us. It's great writing practice.
And if you don't celebrate, that's fine too. You can write, "We don't really celebrate Valentine's Day in my country." We will read all your comments.
Before we finish, let's quickly go over some of the simple words and phrases we use today. Repeat after us if you want.
Valentine's Day.
Do you have any plans?
I'm going out to dinner.
I'm staying home.
Do you have a Valentine?
Yes, I do. No, I don't.
Gifts. Flowers. Chocolate. Card.
How do you feel?
I feel happy. I feel relaxed.
Perfect. You did great today.
Remember, the goal is to understand real conversations and feel confident using simple English. You don't need to know every word.
Just keep listening to friendly English, like our chats here. It will help your ears and your brain get used to the language.
Thank you so much for chatting with us today about Valentine's Day. We hope you feel a little more comfortable with the vocabulary and the simple questions.
Whether you're spending the day with someone special, with friends, family, or just enjoying your own company,
We wish you a day filled with kindness and good feelings. Happy Valentine's Day from both of us.
if you enjoyed this relaxed way of learning, please let us know. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to English Chat Vibes for more simple, friendly conversations.
It helps us so much. And don't forget to write in the comments about Valentine's Day in your country.
Thanks for watching. Keep practicing and be kind to yourself. Learning a language is a journey.
See you in the next video. Bye for now.
Bye, everyone.